Everybody, it's Eric Green. Thank you for joining me for this week's Tax Rep Minute. I want to just mention the QuickBooks file. All right, when you're looking at an IRS exam, the examiner is generally going to ask for the QuickBooks file and not just the printouts. They're going to want the backup. Okay, couple things. One, they are entitled to it. All right, they are allowed to get it. They can summons it if they want to. But the reason they want the file so much is they want to go through and look at the adjusting entries, look at the audit trail, see if there's some indication where something wrong, or something that's not right, or maybe there's something questionable. That's what they want to see. All right. Now, if you have the desktop version, this becomes very simple. Right? You can, with either version, you could just get them, give them access or give them a backup. The problem, of course, is we don't want them having everything and going on a fishing expedition. So if you do just an accountant's backup, it goes all the way back to day one. There is something with a desktop version called a period copy, right? And with the period copy, you can limit the period of the backup. So, and by the way, the IRS is not going to be happy about this, but so far they've threatened a summons. They never do. Okay, so far they haven't, right? But you can do a period copy if you have the desktop version. Now, if you have QuickBooks Online, it's more problematic because there is no period copy. At that point, what you could do is try to export the stuff like to Excel for a period of time, but you're going to have a little more issues with the QuickBooks Online. But what I did want to tell you and just make clear to you is, one, they are going to want the QuickBooks file, and I get this question, if not weekly, then several times a month from accountants saying, well, they're not entitled to that, right? Actually, they are. All right, they are entitled to all books and records, including electronic. All right, so just know that they're going to get the QuickBooks file, and what you want to do is take the steps necessary to give them the information, but we want to limit the scope of what they're seeing. All right, you want to make sure that they can only you limit it to the period that's actually under audit. All right, thanks for listening.